At Sika, we're always talking with our customers. It's always a conversation. What are we doing well? What could we be doing a little bit better? We had a product that fit this segment of the market. We saw some opportunities for improvement.
Sikaflex P2G Premium is really the culmination of listening to our customers and then developing a solution that addresses those needs.
For P2G Premium, we're providing our customers with a primerless product that's out there that doesn't require any form of a pre-treatment onto the glass prior to the adhesive application.
Viscosity plays a major role in the application process, so having something that'll stand up for decking reasons is very important to our technicians and our customers. Also, it has very low cutoff strings, so that way you're not leaving a mess. The way I see how Sika helps installers day to day is we listen to our customers and we give our feedback to our chemists, to our engineers. That way we can produce a product that is perfect for them in any condition.
Anytime we can remove a pre-treatment as part of the process, it really lends to our core values of sustainability. That supports our goals for 2028 and our ambitious goals for 2050 to be net zero.
Windshield is in, start the timer. What we saw when that car impacted the barrier, the windshield didn't move. It didn't move a millimeter. So when they finally go around with the probe, I don't expect there to be any loss of retention. It should be 100% retention, which is what we're always looking for. This product is more than ready for the market.